Hungary is known for its beautiful capital city, Budapest, which is divided by the Danube River. Hungarian cuisine is famous for dishes like goulash, stuffed cabbage, and chimney cake. Hungary has a rich history dating back to the Magyar tribes who settled in the region in the 9th century. The Hungarian language is unique and not related to any other language in Europe. Lake Balaton is the largest lake in Central Europe and a popular tourist destination in Hungary. Hungary has 10 national parks that are home to diverse wildlife and landscapes. The Hungarian Parliament building is one of the most iconic landmarks in Budapest. Hungarian paprika is a key ingredient in many traditional dishes and is known for its vibrant color and flavor. Hungary has a long tradition of thermal baths, with over 1,000 natural thermal springs throughout the country. The Hungarian State Opera House is considered one of the most beautiful opera houses in the world. Hungary is famous for its wine regions, such as Tokaj and Attr, known for their sweet and dry wines. The Hungarian flag is one of the oldest in the world, dating back to the 12th century. The Rubik's Cube was invented by Hungarian architect Erno Rubik in 1974. Hungary has a strong tradition of folk music and dance, with many festivals celebrating these art forms. Lake Hevez is the largest thermal lake in Europe and is known for its healing properties. The Hungarian Revolution of 1956 was a key event in the country's history, leading to a failed uprising against Soviet rule. The Hungarian forint is the official currency of Hungary. The Great Market Hall in Budapest is a must-visit for food lovers, with vendors selling fresh produce, meats, and pastries. Hungary has a continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. The Hungarian National Museum is home to artifacts and exhibits that trace the country's history from ancient times to the present. The Buda Castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers stunning views of Budapest from its hilltop location. Hungary has produced many famous composers, including Franz Liszt, Béla Bartók, and Zoltán Kodály. The Hungarian Grand Prix is a popular Formula One race held at the Hungaroring Circuit near Budapest. The Hortobágy National Park is the largest protected area in Hungary and is known for its unique steppe landscape. Hungary has a strong tradition of craftsmanship, with many artisans producing handmade pottery, embroidery, and woodwork. The Hungarian Museum of Fine Arts in Budapest houses a collection of works by European masters, including Rembrandt, Raphael, and El Greco. Hungary is a landlocked country in Central Europe, bordered by Austria, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, Croatia, and Slovenia. The Hungarian Academy of Sciences is a prestigious institution dedicated to promoting scientific research and education in the country. Hungarian folklore is rich in legends and tales of mythical creatures, such as dragons, fairies, and witches. Lake Tisza is a man-made reservoir in eastern Hungary that offers water sports, fishing, and birdwatching opportunities. The Matthias Church in Budapest is a stunning example of Gothic architecture and is known for its colorful roof tiles. Hungarian literature has a long and storied history, with writers like Sándor Márai, Magda Szabó, and Imre Kertész gaining international acclaim. The Székely Eye Chain Bridge is one of the oldest bridges in Budapest and is a popular spot for taking in views of the city. Hungary has a rich tradition of folk art, with intricate patterns and designs adorning ceramics, textiles, and furniture. The Hungarian State Folk Ensemble is a renowned dance troupe that performs traditional Hungarian folk dances around the world. The Hungarian National Gallery showcases Hungarian art from the Middle Ages to the present day, including works by painters like Mihály Munkácsy and Tivadar Kostka-Szentváry. Hungary is home to the second largest thermal lake in the world, Lake Heves, which stays warm year-round. The Hungarian Natural History Museum in Budapest is home to over 10 million specimens, including dinosaur fossils, minerals, and botanical collections. Hungary has a rich tradition of puppetry, with puppet theaters and festivals held throughout the country. The Hungarian State Folk Dance Ensemble is known for its vibrant costumes and energetic performances of traditional Hungarian dances. The Labyrinth of Buda Castle is a network of caves and tunnels beneath the castle that have been used for various purposes throughout history. Hungary has a strong tradition of horseback riding, with equestrian sports like horse racing, dressage, and show jumping popular throughout the country. The Hungarian National Museum in Budapest is home to a vast collection of artifacts that trace the history of Hungary from ancient times to the present day. Hungary is known for its rich folk music and dance traditions, with festivals celebrating these art forms held throughout the country. The Hungarian Parliament building in Budapest is one of the largest and most impressive parliament buildings in the world. Hungary is famous for its thermal baths, with over 1,000 natural thermal springs throughout the country. Hungary has a unique language that is not related to any other language in Europe. Hungary has a rich history dating back to the Magyar tribes who settled in the region in the 9th century. Budapest, the capital of Hungary, is known for its stunning architecture and scenic views of the Danube River. Hungary has a continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. Hungary has a strong tradition of folk art, with artisans producing handmade pottery, embroidery, and woodwork. Lake Balaton is the largest lake in Central Europe and a popular holiday destination in Hungary. Hungarian cuisine is famous for dishes like goulash, stuffed cabbage, and chimney cake. Hungary is known for its wine regions, such as Tokaj and Eger, which produce a wide variety of wines. The Great Market Hall in Budapest is a must-visit for foodies, with vendors selling fresh produce, meats, and pastries. The Hungarian forint is the official currency of Hungary. Hungary has a long tradition of thermal baths, with over 1,000 natural thermal springs throughout the country. The Rubik's Cube was invented by Hungarian architect Erno Rubik in 1974. The Hungarian State Opera House is one of the most beautiful opera houses in the world. Hungary has 10 national parks that are home to diverse wildlife and landscapes. Hungarian paprika is a key ingredient in many traditional dishes and is known for its vibrant color and flavor.